Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I decided to have another review again, or react, sorry, for one of the cuties of unis. I've actually watched the Universal Ticket on Netflix before, and so I know how these guys were selected, and I think they're really cute. And yeah, I love them, and I love the fact that Alicia and Jelly are there. So good. Another achievement for the Philippines. Super proud. But yeah, let's watch them. Let me just my screen here. Sorry about that. I didn't prepare it. Okay. All right, let's watch Curious. This is actually their performance and KBS World Music Bank. So let's see. This is the curly jelly era. Wait, let me go back there. Let me just see what they look like here. Oh, that is so good. The outfits, ang ganda. Ang ganda ni ano. Sino to? Si Yuna. Sobrang cute. They're really talented, you guys. Like, I don't know. I don't watch a lot of K-pop, pero sinubaybayan ko talaga tong mga to. Um, and I heard that their management owns like a clothing company. That's why their outfits are like insane. Their wardrobe. And look at Jelly. Bagay sa kanya yung kulot-kulutan, ganon, na blonde. I love it. Let's watch it. I'm so curious. I'm trying to figure out kung sino yung unang kumanta. Pero hindi ko siya makita every time I watch the start of Eunice. Kung sino yung ano? Namala. Tingala ba yun? Hindi si Nana. Baka background music. 겁이 나서 내 같은 건 나일 수 있잖아. Open up or come out 여기서. I know I wanna, I know you wanna. Sobrang cute nun. Gusto ko din itong move na to. 어렵던 어제는 지났어. Let's go find out. 누라는 떨쳐 냅두고 You and I story. 갇혀진 문을 박차고 Bring it on tonight. 까지 멈추지 말고 달려가 한가만 걷던 moss. 너만 몰라 정말 몰라 I want to be the one. 바로 나야 바로 나야 Do what I wanna do. 깊이 숨겨놓은 날 보여봐 눈부시잖아 I'm like a star. 너만 몰라 I want to be the one. 왜 너만 몰라 왜 나만 몰라 New classic wanna be naing the what's up. Wait lang, yung mga pants ba nila Curious yung nakasulat? Tama ba? Next chapter 열어봐 moon plus classic 딱 보면 탐 날걸 The reason why I'm chosen Beauty good. Napapakindat din ako kay Jelly. Ano ba yan? Ang tita mo. The sneakers and then I kick it, jump in and run and go. Cause I keep hoping makes me delicate. I do that all never stand 날 딴 내가 too I move Dressing 입고 난 perfect Patrick Brown Like a sun in every sunny day. 너만 몰라 정말 몰라 I want to be the one. 바로 나야
Speaking of high notes, I think and I hope that the management would give Jelly like a piece that has really high notes because she's known for like lower seductive voice, but the girl can sing. Give her more. But I'm not complaining because etong pangalawang album nila, Jelly has more lines and Alicia too. They gave Alicia alam mo yun, Time to Shine. They gave Alicia the high notes rather than giving it to shucks, ano pangalan nito? Tong isa. I forget her name. Oh my God, nawala sa utak ko. What's her name? This one. What's her name? I forgot.
너만 몰라 정말 정말 몰라 I want to be the one 바로 나야 바로 나야
Yuna is so beautiful. Underrated.
눈부시잖아 I'm like a star 너만 몰라 너만 몰라 I want to
I
be
think
the
her favorite is Nana, no?
When
Oh, look at that face.
When 나만 몰라 When 너만 몰라
Yunju has really nice voice as well.
너만 몰라 But I'm confused 나도 몰라 날 difficult world I'm not afraid Just trust myself 빛날 테니까 And I will show the real to you ever after
Ganda ni Jelly, grabe.
너만 몰라 왜 너만 몰라 왜 나만 몰라 왜 나만 몰라
Ang ganda! Tignan mo naman yun. Ha? Jelly, grabe. Yuna is so cute. Ah! Sorry about that. Nakakainis yung ads. But, grabe yung face card ni Jelly. It's screaming. Sobrang ganda niya. Ano ba yan? Ang tawag dito, si Yuna is really beautiful. Very underrated. But she looks really, really beautiful. And then Yunju on the other hand is also nice. Yung voice ni Yunju. But yeah. Anyways, next natin na video, we're going to watch Poppin. This is their This is their second song from their new album, comeback album. So I've seen the other performance somewhere. I forgot where it is, but this one is newer. Let's see. Jelly has more lines here, thank God. And Alicia, si Alicia, parang yung may high notes siya dito. May birit-birit siya dito. Anyway, let's watch it. Super cute na song na to.
Yeah. 정했어 모두 배급부터 지켜줘 dress code 메뉴는 hot and cold 맵기는 왜 billboard 달콤한 디저트와 준비된 필러 미시야 서둘러 시작해야 돼 everybody 알림 전이 넘나나나 오늘은 옷 예쁜 자유야 누구의 잔소리
Oh my God, ang makeup ni Yunju. Mother Yunju, serving.
Tell me what you are waiting for 1, 2, 3, let's go 다 함께 놀자 빠빠빠삐나 깜짝는 매일 해 빠빠빠삐나 날 들어가 틈을 위한
Gusto ko yung moves na to.
이 순간 Never song, never let go Tonight we're popping up Oh, 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 oh 생각은 말고 Oh, 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 oh Tonight we're popping up Selfie 팡팡
Ampang?
팡팡 세팅이 완벽하게 순서는 제멋대로 표정은
Sorry, yun yung favorite part ko dun. Yung kay Koto ko. Nakakatawa. not cute, super cute, very kawaii. And I don't know if narinig niyo kanina pero sobrang ganda ng makeup ni Yoonju, super bagay sa kanya. And
완벽하게 순서는 좀 팡팡 팡팡 tonight we're popping now selfie 팡팡 팡팡 사진이 완벽하게 순서는 좀 멋대로 표정은
Ano ba yun? Or
시카고
Ye ba yun? Or
like a
Japanese?
star 고민은
Green
말야
color.
다 거품이니까 터뜨려 보기 좋게 우린 좀 다르니까 오늘은 우리뿐 자유야 누구의 찬소리 방해도 없겠지 기분이 우주비 더 멀리 오르지 Tell me what you are waiting for 1, 2, 3, let's go 다 함께 놀자 pop 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 it up 걱정은 내일 해 pop 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 it up 내가 정말이 한 깜짝 놀란 이 순간 잡은 손 never let go Tonight we're popping up oh 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 생각은 말고 oh 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 Tonight we popping up 너라서 좋아 차갑게 on my feet Hashtag feel good It's almost 바로 지금 상상했던 그대로 펼쳐진 맘 다 함께 놀자
Oh, sing it!
걱정은 내내 팍팍팍 날려가 저 멀리 깜짝 놀라 이 순간 잡은 손 never let go Tonight we're popping up oh 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 생각은 말고 oh 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 Tonight we're popping up oh 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 생각은 말고
Sorry, realize ko na papa kayo ako. Shot! Ang cute ko to.
Celatec Dermoscience is dermatested on
Curious are two different Curious and Poppin are like two different type of um well, I won't say genre kasi parehas sila K-pop, but magkaiba talaga sila. Like the Poppin is just like feel good, cute, and then Curious is more on the dark. Well, not naman super darker, but darker for them already because they're young. I would like to think they're young and innocent. Tapos alam mo yan, astig yung Curious and medyo pop rock yung datingan. Yeah. But I like them both. And I love these girls. They're super, super cute. Palabas yung paa nung anak ko sa camera. They're super, super cute and very, very much, ang tawag dito, very, ang tawag doon, young. They're on the young part of the music. Siguro, I would, well, I can't say this for everybody, no, pero yung younger generation would like really love them, those who are in the high school, ganyan. Pero I'm old, but I appreciate their music as well, just because I've watched them from Universe Ticket, and yeah, I kind of know everyone. So, ayun. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my react for these two live performances. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have any recommendation on what to watch next. I am not a super K-pop fan, but would love to watch other K-pops if you guys have any recommendations. Anyways, yun lang. Please subscribe and like my videos. Please support me by doing that. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.